Your great power lies dormant within your mind. You can create the life you want by using your mind to call things into existence. Even more so, you have an innate gift that connects you to the universe. If you fail to use your gift, you will be cursed with poverty, because that is an act of sin against oneself, and sin has its own punishment. At the bottom of the pit there is the working class. They toil all the days of their lives, weeping and grinding their teeth with sweat pouring down their backs. And yet at the end of the day, they have nothing to show for their hard work. You are at the bottom of the pit. What are you going to do about it? The worst thing that you can do is give up on yourself and acquiesce in mediocrity. The rich cannot thrive without the working class. And while the poor can imagine such vast dreams, their minds are elastic. But they don't have enough faith to believe in themselves, and therefore, or have not the courage to strive for greater things. If you educate the poor in the right ways, the world would be a better place, because perhaps, no one would do inhumane things to earn money in order that they might feed their families. But poor people are usually under so much pressure that they don't have time to think about how to manifest their dreams. Poor people aren't all just average people, but the working class system is not set up right. Because how can the hardest working people not have a chance to get ahead even after working so hard and following all the rules of the system? The workforce is for people who are satisfied with mediocrity, but mediocrity does not create progress. People without dreams will destroy the foundations of a great city because average work does not create progress. Average people are conformists. They have no ideas of their own, no dreams, no knowledge to create wealth or progress. Average people rush to work every day thinking that a job is going to change their lives.